Hey everybody, and welcome to the exercise solutions video for the notebook, Boolean indexing single conditions. So exercise 1 says, read in the movie data set and set the index to be the title, and then we'll select all the movies that have Tom Hanks as actor 1. Let's go ahead and do that first. So we're going to read this in, put the index, or put the title in the index, and then we're going to select all the movies that have actor 1. So the first thing we do is create a filter. And this filter is going to be based on actor 1. So let's go ahead and select the actor 1 series. And we're going to test equality to Tom Hanks. So that looks good. So we're just going to test whether actor 1 is equal to Tom Hanks. And then we'll take movie again and pass in the filter. So this should return us all movies that have actor 1 as Tom Hanks. All right. And maybe we can just assign this to some variable and do df.head here. All right, but it also says, how many of these movies has he starred in? Well, we need to know the shape of this data frame, in particular the number of rows. So if we just do len, passing our data frame, our filter data frame to the len function, we should get that answer. So he's been actor 1 in 24 movies. All right, let's move on to the next one. And final question. Let's select movies with an IMDb score greater than 9. So again, we'll do filt, and let's grab the IMDb score column. If we look over here, it's a numeric column. So we will test, we'll use the greater than, operator over here to say that it's strictly greater than 9. So that'll create our filter, that creates our Boolean series. And we simply pass this filter into just the brackets, and we'll get only the movies that have an IMDb score greater than 9. And it turns out there's only 5 movies, so it's quite an accomplishment, I guess, to receive a score that high. Okay, so that does it for the exercises in Boolean indexing single conditions.